Alrighty, I have a construction update for you guys today. So as you can see on the screen, they have finally installed the lockout fencing alongside all of AlpenFury in all the areas that didn't have it yet. So here is that lockout fencing that they have installed, and it's all locked up. Definitely a great sign. The lockout fencing sign for the fencing needs to go in as well. Outside of that, there was testing going on, which is exciting, but I got footage of all the trains running. I say all the trains as if there's more than two. At the end of the video, you'll see that. And then I got some awesome just cinematic slow-mo shots with music at the end of the video for you as well. There are overnight construction lights all over AlpenFury. So in this area, definitely working on the camera. So there's the sensor. That's what we were waiting for. It looked like they were going to hook one up at the drop, but it's definitely here. So it'll go on that pole, and that sensor will trigger the camera. Outside of that, there is some cowbell lighting going on in the station. It doesn't look like it's going to have special effects like I was hoping for in yesterday's video. It does look like it's just white lights with some leather art above the lights as well. The brickwork in the area has been installed. And the queue line is made a lot of progression. There's still a little bit of work. Those little taller sections, I think, are emergency exits in case of emergencies, or where the Coca-Cola machines might go in the queue line. But I have a feeling it's emergency exits. Outside of that, just still finalizing a little bit of theming in the station area, as well as getting all the signage up and the fake windows installed on all the buildings. It is starting to look better. I know I was kind of like a little like, ugh, in yesterday's video. I still am just hoping for a little more work to be done to the station for it to be amazing. Again, it is not the ugliest station. I know I'm like hating on it a little bit, but I just wish it had a little more vibrancy to it. But it's not done, so we'll have to wait and see. So over the next couple days, they'll probably end up finishing this. They are working overnights right now on construction and testing during the day. Like I said in yesterday's video, the crew is going to start training on Monday for the ride. So we might even see human riders on AlpenFury as early as tomorrow or Monday. Because if the crew is training on Monday, that means area soups or whatever, I'm not quite sure, have to be training tomorrow. So we honestly could see people on the ride as early as tomorrow. Signs for the lockers that point to that third hole just behind that locker sign, the test seat sign as well. And then you have your fast lane entrance and regular entrance right there under that building where the AlpenFury sign will go on that. I'm a little disappointed that it's a 2D sign and not some fountain or like grand sign like Yukon Striker. I expected a little bit better, but again, it's not done. We'll have to wait and see what it looks like because it could be some awesome 3D statue, but we'll wait and see. Outside of that, the area has definitely opened up. It's looking a lot better. It looks great. I do like the colors on some of these buildings, and I do like the added color on some of the areas. Can't wait to see the clock installed as well as that little kind of like clock tower go out and work. It'll be like paying homage to Clockworks, which is super exciting, but definitely awesome that they were working on the two trains today, testing the two trains. I can't tell. I'm waiting on clarification if the ride has been fully commissioned or still requires a few more cycles. That'll give us a really good answer on when AlpenFury is going to open. Like I said in yesterday's video, if the ride is fully commissioned and they just start training starting tomorrow and Monday and Tuesday, then the ride could be open as early as Wednesday, Thursday. If they still need to commission, then the ride can be open as early as Saturday, Sunday, or Monday, depending on how many more cycles are left. And if anything goes wrong, again, the dates can continue to get pushed back if anything goes wrong. So take all of that with a grain of salt. But we are looking at within the next 2 weeks that AlpenFury is open. So that's definitely very exciting. And it's down to just the last little touches. They're going to start laying down grass in the back of the Extreme Skyflyer element area. They're going to start getting the ride's lighting package installed along the ride. And when I say lighting package, I mean like just floodlights installed along the layout of AlpenFury. And they're going to work on training and commissioning, depending on how much commissioning they have left. So, again, not too much to report on. just the exciting stuff, and I guess a little bit of a countdown for AlpenFury to open. So with that said, thank you so much for watching today's construction update, and stay tuned for more. Have a good one, guys. Bye.